Have you ever checked your bank account and wondered, but where did all my money go to? The truth is, most people don't go broke overnight. It is usually the result of small money habits repeated every day. Today, we will cover 7 money habits that keep you broke and how you can break free from these 7 habits. The very first bad habit is living without a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will definitely disappear each time it enters your bank account. A simple budget helps you control your spending instead of wondering where your paycheck went every time it hits your bank account. So make sure you establish a well-planned budget. The third point is high interest debt. Credit cards aren't the problem here, but high interest debt is. Paying off the minimum keeps you trapped in the debt, but paying off your debt as fast as possible makes you build wealth with time. So the next time you go for a credit card, consider paying off the debt as soon as you can instead of following the monthly deposit prescribed by the credit card company. The fourth point that keeps you broke is waiting to invest. Many people wait too long to get started with their investments, but they forget to know that the best time to invest was years ago and the second best time is today. So consider getting started even with small monthly investments, because this can grow significantly thanks to compound interest. So do not minimize any amount of investment you can put in each month, because the compound interest effect might surprise you. The fifth point is no emergency fund. Having no emergency fund. Unexpected expenses happen every single day. So consider building an emergency fund that can help you avoid debt and reduce financial stress when life surprises you. When we talk about having an emergency fund, this is money put aside, not for savings, not as investments, but money in case of any accident or unforeseen circumstances. The sixth point I want to mention in this video is buying liabilities instead of assets. Before buying something expensive, ask yourself 2 questions. Will this item make me money, or will this item cost me money? You should focus on buying assets that grow your wealth before spending on luxuries, because luxuries are purchased by assets. If you keep on buying luxuries without having any assets, then a time might come when you might not even be able to afford your basic necessities. So be careful when focusing on buying only liabilities. The last but not the least point is having no financial goals. Without a clear financial goal, it is easy to waste money. So make sure to set a target, stay consistent on your target, and let your daily small habits, no matter how small it is, but let your daily small habits get you closer to your financial goals. We all agree that it is easy to waste money when you don't know exactly what you are planning to do with the money, because as soon as the money comes in, it will definitely disappear, as said earlier in this video. So in conclusion, I will tell you, wealth isn't built overnight. It is built through small, consistent habits and with much time. So start by changing just one habit in this video and you will be on your way to a stronger financial future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, turn on notifications, and stay subscribed in order not to miss out many more videos in our financial journey. So see you in the next video.